Hi everybody, Mr. Brown here again with another assignment. I'm going to go really quick through this one just so you don't have to watch a long video. So the new one's called Shelter in Place Emotional Characters. It says to watch my video, what you're doing now, check out my website for info, watch some of the videos by this guy Christopher Hart, who's a cartoon artist. Create a character, express 6 of your current emotions with that character, and hit me up with any questions. So you would go here and then you go to my website like you normally do. And the idea is that we're all going through crazy stuff right now. So let's show it on our little cute little characters. Here's a bunch of emotions for you to think about if you haven't heard of any of those words before. Step 1 is to brainstorm a character, like a little animal character. You could sketch them, you could draw them in the sand, I don't care, just try them out. If you need help drawing cartoon characters, that's what this is. So if you go to Christopher Hart, his YouTube channel is literally just how to draw a million different characters, and then basically you would just change the emotions, draw one of your own, but use his as like a base. He has like over 160 videos here. And then you're going to draw it 6 times. So draw 6 boxes, draw it, the basic outline of it 6 times. Add in just the basic facial features so that it all kind of looks the same. And then each one, write a different emotion that you're going through, that you feel during this shelter in place. Quarantine. Draw more emotion on there. Color them if you can. And then here are my examples of a snail being silly, bored, tired, mad, sad, and lost. And then I colored them according to what those emotions kind of like feel like. So bored, it's like really gray. Mad, it's all red and angry. Blue is sad. Lost, kind of all over the place. Tired, it's just darker. And then silly, I'm not sure. So that is it. Okay, bye.